The settlement of parking charges always generate a long queue, miscalculation, hassle of cash and tokens, etc. However, you can eliminate the waiting time with PyParkOps parking system. It has the license plate recognition technology for automatic parking system. With the camera integrated with AI, it can detect car and recognize any form of number plate easily. And the recognized data from the license plate along with time, etc. is saved in the database and helps in automation, ensuring you a faster flow of car parking without hassle and great optimization with increased revenue. Introducing you the PyParkOps web application, a car parking operation system that easily integrates with your webcam and make your parking system smarter, having a ton of features like live dashboard and a table and saving features, also giving you the chance of filtering your earning by date and time and show them with the additional feature of light and dark mode and many more. Visit us at GitHub, scan the QR code for making life a bit more smoother.